Assalamu alaikum. This is Madiha Kiran, Biology Department, APS Fort Road, Rawalpindi. Chapter number 2, Solving a Biological Problem. Lecture number 2, page number 22. Objectives. Students, you will be able to enlist the qualities of good hypothesis, define deductions, build a deduction from a given hypothesis. Success criteria. Remember to highlight the characteristics of good hypothesis. Remember, a hypothesis can be true or false. Remember, deductions are made from hypothesis. Biological method. Let's recap the steps of biological method. These are all steps of biological method, and today we are going to study what is hypothesis and what is deductions. The image is taken from the book, page number 22, and the today's topic is formulation of hypothesis and the deduction, along with this box over here. Hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Hypothesis is just a tentative explanation of the observations. That means that whatever, when the biologist faces some problem, some biological problem, and he makes some observations, then he may convert those observations in the form of data and construct a statement, and on the basis of those observations he makes a statement. That statement is just a tentative explanation. That means it's not final, it can be changed, it's just an idea. Tentative means the idea which can be changed, so it's just a tentative explanation which is based upon the observation he has made. Okay? So that statement which is just a tentative explanation is known as hypothesis. अपनी observations को देखकर उन observation की base पर एक statement बना लेता है जिसको आप कहते हैं hypothesis. Characteristics of good hypothesis. एक अच्छा hypothesis क्या होता है? इसको आप merits of hypothesis भी कह सकते हैं. It should be a general statement. That means it should not be very complicated. It should be a general statement. A tentative idea, not permanent idea. It's just an idea which can be changed. Agree with the available observation. Obviously, it should be based upon the observation he has previously made. Kept as simple as possible. ठीक है? It should be testable. यानी कि ऐसा hypothesis होना चाहिए जिस पे आप experiment perform कर सकें. Testable होना चाहिए. ठीक है? And potentially falsifiable means that it could be proven right, it could be proven wrong, so it has both the potentials to be proven correct or incorrect. While you are formulating an hypothesis, it's not like that the biologist will sit and just write a statement and he will call that statement as hypothesis. No. A great deal of careful and creative thinking is necessary for the construction of hypothesis. Reasoning is necessary, and the reasoning should be on the basis of the observation he has made. Biologists use reasoning to formulate the hypothesis. So it's not just his idea. He has constructed this statement on the basis of the observation. Deductions. What are deductions? Deductions are logical consequences of hypothesis. Logical means reasonable. Consequences mean results. That means deductions are the reasonable results which he can derive from the hypothesis. When the biologist make the hypothesis, he hypothesize, he imagine on the basis of that observations, he made that statement. So he considers that this statement is true. He considers, वो सिर्फ सोचता है, वो सिर्फ उसको लेता है कि hypothesis ठीक है मेरा, correct है. And on that basis of that correct hypothesis, he makes his own result, his own deduction, expected results. So what are the deductions? These are the expected results which actually biologist makes on the basis of the hypothesis. So you can see each and every step is linked with one another. When the biologist will make the hypothesis, then he's going to deduce something. Deduce यानी कि expected result. He expects जब result वो experiment perform करेगा, तो finally जो उसके पास result आएगा, तो deduction क्या है? वो expected result. What he expect from his result is known as deduction. So deduction has to be taken, for deduction hypothesis has to be taken true. यानी कि जब वो डिडक्शन बनाएगा, डिडक्शन की स्टेटमेंट बनाएगा, तो उसके लिए वो कंसिडर करेगा कि मेरा हाइपोथेसिस ठीक है, ट्रू है, ठीक है, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट ट्रू हाइपोथेसिस ही विल make expected result, the deduction. Then he will construct the deduction, which is known as the expected result, what he expects from his experiment. If a particular hypothesis is taken as true, अगर हम किसी hypothesis को true कह लें कि हाँ ये true है, then one should expect the deduction as a result. तो फिर हम क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि जो हमारी deductions हैं, जो हमने deduction की statement बनाई है, वही हमारे experiment का result होगी. So what does this mean? This statement explains कि deduction क्या है, वो result जो हम अपने experiment से expect करते हैं. Again, it could be true, यानी कि hypothesis हमारा ट्रू भी हो सकता है, फॉल्स भी. अगर मेरी डिडक्शन सेम आती है, जो मैंने डिड्यूस किया है और मेरे एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ और मेरा रिजल्ट वही आया जो मेरी डिडक्शन थी, तो दैट मीन्स मेरा हाइपोथेसिस एक्सेप्ट हो गया. अगर मेरी डिडक्शन वो नहीं आई, रिजल्ट चेंज आया डिडक्शन से, दैट मीन्स मेरा हाइपोथेसिस रिजेक्ट हो गया. Deduction involves the use of if and then. So deduction is also a statement, but we use if and then words like these, such as example, hypothesis. There's a hypothesis all plant cells have nucleus. Okay, if all plant cells have nucleus, so probably the biologist would go and search each and every cell of each and every plant. No, he's not going to do this. This is not possible. He's not going to test each and every plant. Instead, what is he going to do? He's going to make deduction. If I examine cells from a blade of grass, then each one will have the nucleus. So he has made this deduction on the basis of this hypothesis. And you can see he has used the words if and then. If I examine the cells from the blade of the grass, ब्लेड ऑफ द ग्रास, जो ग्रास का पत्ता होता है, अगर मैं उसके कुछ सेल्स को ऑब्जर्व करूं, तो दो सेल्स विल हैव द न्यूक्लियस. इसकी जगह आप किसी प्लांट का नाम डाल सकते हैं, किसी प्लांट के किसी पार्ट का नाम डाल सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है वो लीफ हो, ठीक है. सो उसने क्या किया, उसने जाकर सारे प्लांट्स को नहीं चेक किया, बल्कि उसने क्या किया, उसने एक डिडक्शन कर ली कि मैं जब मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट करूंगा तो देखूंगा कि हर सेल के अंदर न्यूक्लियस होगा. सो ही हैज डिड्यूस्ड, खुद से उसने एक एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट की स्टेटमेंट बना ली. I hope you understood today's lecture. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.